Hello besties, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscribers or like, you know, part of my little YouTube family, welcome back. So for today's video is gonna be figs review, try on. So I'm so excited to work with figs. They have sent this over. I cannot believe, I'm still pinching myself, like I cannot believe one of my favorite brand, especially on scrubs, reach out to me and want to work with me. So yes, I'm gonna give you guys a little try on moment because they sent me a couple of pieces, and this is their, I believe, their new color collection, which is, you're gonna see like what they look like. I also did last year, I believe around November, I did like a try on figs. I'm gonna put the link somewhere here in the screen or in the description box below. So yes, let's just start because I'm so excited to try this on. And okay, so they sent this over. I'm just like, I was shocked that they want to work with me because the girl is like, you know, just a fan and still a fan. Okay, sent this big box, and let me show you guys really quick before I try them on, and I'll give you guys like, you know, a little try on moment. So first they have here is this ankle socks. This color is immaculate, look at that, and it's very soft. I'm gonna use this tomorrow since I'll be working tomorrow, and I'll give you guys a little update on my description box below, I mean on the comment section below. But yeah, I'm gonna I'll be wearing this tomorrow since it's Monday, and yes, I'm excited to like wear these socks. And I'm also, if you guys are interested on any of the stuff that the pieces that they sent me, I'm also gonna leave them on my description box below, so you guys can definitely check them out. Okay, so the next one we got here is this under scrub, the seamless under scrub in the color Hydrogreen. So this is really good if you work at the hospital, clinic, you know, we have to keep it cool there. So yeah, you have to have under scrub. So this is they have different type of color as well. This is their limited edition, like I said, Hydrogreen color. It's very like very soft. And here, this is what they look like. They sent me size medium right here. There you go. So that's the front look like, this is the back look like. Yeah, it's very soft. And like I said, all the pieces that I'll mention today will be in my description box below. And then the next one we got here is this bra, sports bra. Yeah, they sent me a sports bra right here. Let me just open this real quick. This is really good. Ooh, this color is just amazing. Okay, so this is the sports bra that they sent over. Very cute. I love the thick strap, love that. There, this is what they look like in the back, and I believe the color of this is Hydrogreen as well. Let me just double check so I'm not like giving you guys a false information. Okay, so I don't see them in the website yet, but this is what they look like I said, and I'm also gonna be trying this on. So the next one we got is this scrub pants, which is, I believe this is the Zamora. Yeah, this is the Zamora high-waisted pants right here in this color Hydrogreen, and this like very bright pink color, like the tie, so cute, like a pop of like pink, like neon pink. Yeah, neon pink right there. And this is in the size, what size did they send me? Medium. Okay, this is the size medium. If you guys watched my previous figs try on, the one that I got, like the Yola, I think, the scrub pants, they have like a secret like pockets for your like rings. This one don't have the secret pocket. It just have this, you know, pocket here, 2 pockets in the front, and then an extra zipper pocket here, and also 2 in the back, which is still good because you still have like a lot of pockets. And it is would say like a jogger type of scrub pants, which is really good. So sit that in the side, and then this one I believe is their top. Okay, yeah, this one is the top, which is, this is the Katarina 1 bucket scrub, and also like I said, Hydrogreen color. I want to show you guys this. Excited to wear this color, especially it's summertime. I always wear my regular blue, I think the navy blue and black, I always wear those, but I'm excited to try different colors. So this is the scrub top look like. Cute. And it only has a pocket right here, like just one pocket. And okay, let me just try this on, and so I can show you guys what they look like. Okay, can we take a silent moment to appreciate this scrub, because she is pretty. Oh my goodness, this color is freaking amazing. Hello, she's cute. Okay, I haven't tucked them in yet because normally I've seen in FAQs website they tuck them in, especially with the 1 bucket scrub. I got used to like not tucking them in, so I'm gonna try that later. But can we talk about this top? This top is perfect. I can move my arms. Height preference, I am 5'1", and this is, like I said, medium. Both top and the bottom is medium. So yes, are you kidding me? This is like very, very cute. And like I said, the hot pink or neon pink, if you know me, I don't know about like describing colors, so I'm gonna try to tuck them in for you guys and see like if I like them tucked in or just like as is. I just got used to like having 2 pockets here with like my other 2 figs, like my regular other figs, the 2 pocket scrubs. I got used to that, but anyways, other than that, it's so cute and it's very cool, you know, like it's very the material is just very cool. And I'm also gonna try on the sports bra and also the seamless under scrub after tucking them in. So this is what they look tucked in. I also kind of like this one. I'm feeling this one as well. What do you guys think? The back look like cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in here so you have like a preference. Let me just adjust the camera. Okay, so this is what it look like. Sorry, I don't have any shoes on, but honestly, still amazed with fig scrubs. I'm amazed by then, I'm still amazed by now. Back look like cute. Like I said, pockets, extra pockets here, and yeah, this is what they look like. Cute. I'm also gonna try the under scrub right now. Okay, the next one we have is this other scrub, still color Hydrogreen. Really cool. It's not like very thick, like it's just right, you know, like it's so soft. I freaking love this. I'm also gonna be wearing this underneath if it's like cold outside, but other than that, I think I would not wear this yet because it's summertime. It's like really hot. So, but yeah, this is also a good choice if you work at the hospital. This is a good choice. It's nice to have a under scrub. Okay, the next one we have here is this sports bra. How do we feel about this sports bra? This makes me wants to work out, want to go for a run right now. Like right now, even it's like 85 degrees outside, this makes me just want to go work out and just run in the neighborhood. So this is honestly amazing. It is very perfect. But yes, that's all for this try on, and let me just switch back to my like regular clothes. I hope you loved the try on moment as much as I did. But anyways, if you are not following me on my Instagram, make sure to follow me. I'm gonna put in here in somewhere in the screen or in the description box below. And if, like I said, if you guys love all the pieces that I showed you guys today, it will be on my description box below. I'm gonna leave all the link in my description box below if you guys want to check out figs. If you work in the healthcare industry, especially nurses, doctors, CNA, GNA, CMTs, caregivers, whoever you are, and if you just want to invest in a good type of scrubs, figs is your plug. Okay, so anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you besties in my next video. Bye.